Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with Ashutosh, your go-to channel for all the tech related stuff on iPhone. Today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on iPhone. It's really a useful feature, especially when you want to capture something quickly on your screen. So let's dive right into it. So for taking a screenshot, what we need to do is we need to press the side button and the volume up button to take a screenshot. Further, it will give us certain more features. So let's try out. I am pressing the volume up button and the side button. We have the screenshot over here, and so here we get bunch of features like directly cropping out few things. We can also mark out few characters over here. As you can see, we can also erase out things. So this is one of the way that we can take screenshot. We can, after clicking on that done, we can either delete it, we can save it to quick notes, save it to files, or save it to photos, and further we can also delete it. So we are going to delete it. Now let me tell you a cool trick where you can do this screenshot stuff very quickly instead of pressing the volume up and the side button. So what we need to do, you need to go to settings. After going to settings, you need to go to touch. You need to go to accessibility. After going to accessibility, you need to go to touch, and after going to touch, you need to turn this on assistive touch. Turn this on. After turning this on, go to customize top level menu, and here you have bunch of options that you can see: tab, Siri, home, control center, lock, rotation. I don't like to have a control center on assistive touch, so I will click on that and I will select screenshot here and hit on done. And now let's try to take a screenshot. I will tap, and here we have it. So that's the shortcut implemented for you. I hope you like this video. Thanks for tuning in everyone. If you find this tutorial, don't forget to get it a thumbs up and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one. Thank you.